Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today we got an old-fashioned, what I used to do, review cleaners and products for your vehicle. Well, today we got a all clear, and an all clear one is an automotive protective wipe, and the other is an automotive multi-surface cleaner. So today we're in my Honda. Oh, you sure can see. Yeah, she's pretty dirty. Wow. And I don't think I cleaned it before I put it away for the winter. So I think I gotta clean it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the cleaning wipes first, and then we're gonna use the protective wipes after. This one is supposed to have a nice citrus scent. And by the way, I bought these. Where did I buy these? I think I bought them at Dollar Tree. Pretty sure. And to open package, yep, I know how to do that. Let's see. Well, we know how to open the package. At least I think we do. It's got a resealable here. So if you see, just open her that way, resealable, and then I'm just going to wipe her down really good. So filthy in here. Wow. Can't believe I let her go this bad. So I got a couple of them out here. So, a couple goes a long way. Nice and white to begin with. And I'm just going to start giving her a wipe down and seeing how well it does. It does have a very pleasant smell. I must say that. There is a very pleasant smell. Why do I have to say it twice, though? Don't know if I should be wiping the steering wheel with this, but it's not leather. There we go. Everything is, let's see. Ooh. So far, it's working pretty good. So can't wait. And then we'll do the protective wipes to give her that protective look. I can already tell this thing's getting dirty. Wow. The car is so dirty. I'm ashamed of myself for letting her get this bad. Let's do down here at the shifter and stuff. At least with these type, you can really get in there. How have I got so much hair in here? I don't have a lot of hair. I shaved my head, so it's ease of use, hairstyle. So, well, I gotta say, she does smell very nice. And hopefully, this will do a great cleaning job. So far, it looks like it's taking care. It's grabbing a lot of dirt. She's getting pretty dirty. Might have to use a couple of these. Here, let's go up here and use it on here. Let's see how well it works on here. I'm guessing it's not going to work that great on there. I'll have to wipe it with a cloth to get her clean. Okay, up here. There. I got a cloth here. Let's give her a wipe. Yeah, it's fine, I guess. There we go. That looks half decent, if not terrible. Ugh. My job, typical. Give her a wipe up here. These things are already losing their luster, or their bluster. Is that it? Well, whatever it is, they're already losing their wetness. I'm gonna have to break out some more. Well, so far though, it looks fine. So far I think they're working good. I didn't do this side yet, but over here, it looks pretty good actually. So yeah, I think they're working out. Everything over there is done. I did the door. And over here, still quite not great. So I'm going to just carry on and use, remember, I'm using the all clear automotive multi-surface cleaning wipes. So there's 30 wipes. I think I've already used about 10, and I'm going to use like 3 more probably to try and get this cleaned up. So yeah, I've used about 13 of the wipes to clean the car. It did a pretty good job, I gotta say. Cleans the dust off, leaves a pretty good surface. Not bad. And now we're gonna put the protectant on up here on the dash and everything, or the sill here, and see how well that works. Well, I gotta say, I think I like the lemon scent of the protective wipes more than I like the citrus. It just, I kind of like it better, you know, it's just a better smell. So let's wipe on this protective here and get her on here and see how well it's gonna work. Don't have to put it on everything, just a few things, you know. There we go. And we gotta get her up here where it's gonna do its best at protecting these plastics. Plastics, always plastics on these new cars, eh? So hopefully it will do its job. My car is always garaged at home. It's not out in the sun unless I take it to work or take it out for it drives. So, you know, it's always in the shade at home. And that's the way I prefer it. Or the wife's Jeep is in the garage. One or the two. Or both, you know. Now, I'm going to have to move to the other side and protect over there. So what makes this protectant work any better than that cleaning wipe? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what's in this protectant here, but it sure makes her shine a little more. Not big on shiny, but I am big on protecting what I got here. So just making her do its job a little more, giving her a little more time. She can be out in the sun, and boy, is it sunny today. Beautiful out. So there we go. I got everything wiped down here, I think. I'm gonna wipe down, and yeah, it doesn't look too bad. And the smell is half decent. It does have a nice smell, I gotta admit. So there we go. You guys aren't really used to these kind of videos anymore because I don't usually do them too much anymore, but I decided to do a good old-fashioned here and do one of these, which I felt was needed once in a while. So, but yeah, look at that. She does look pretty good now. I am happy with the results of this stuff. Left a kind of a dull shine, and wow. And it was cheap. At Dollar Tree, I think each package was $1.50. So you can't go wrong. If you want her to look good for a little bit, pick some of these up at Dollar Tree. I believe it was Dollar Tree. And yeah, probably have good experience. This wasn't bad. This cleaned her up really nice in here. A lot better than she was. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And tune in next time for more entertaining and fabulous videos.